First, insert a query loop block and build a post template starting from blank. Wrap the text inside an advanced group block to add some custom styles using Style Builder features. Add the post featured image block to the post template. Group the featured image and the advanced group into a grid block. Change the layout and gap for the grid. We'll get the overlay effect by setting both grid items to have the same row and column. Align the text to the bottom and add a bit of transparency to the background. Now we've already had a list of posts with overlay style. If you want a grid of posts, then change the layout to a grid. You also can create a carousel of posts by changing the layout to a carousel. It is a feature added by the Content Blocks Builder plugin.